There's a lot of people out there who would love to own a business. They love the idea of being in control of their time and control their finances. But the reality is the only way that you become a business owner is at some point you've got to bet on yourself. I believe in people because I know where I came from. When I started in business, I sucked at everything. I was terrible at marketing, I was terrible at sales, I was terrible at managing people, I was super disorganized, I was terrible with my time. I remember crying in a meeting with my boss's boss because he was grilling me about how badly my team was underperforming and how much I'm letting my team down because I was so bad at training sales. And I just happened to get lucky with some opportunities I had, some amazing coaches and mentors I had, but I also worked really hard. I persevered through a lot of failures and really tough times where I saw other people falling off and dropping off. And the life it's created for me is amazing. Like, I'm really grateful for the life I have. I want to give that away to other people because I know if I could do it, I know you can do it.